Now I gotta tell a lie, people. One of the time I have a ball, Cree.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am just leaving the gym. Had a bit of a tough morning. You know, it wasn't one of those smooth mornings where everybody woke up, ate their breakfast and got off to school with no problems. Oh no! Today was not one of those mornings. Today was one of those, I'm just gonna do what I want mornings. Anyway, went to work out just now, feeling ready for the day. Ozzy's actually home again from school today. But I have a very special surprise for you today because something very good is happening in the Mitchell house. But you're just gonna have to wait and hear it from the horse's mouth. I tell them, say them when I hear it from the horse's mouth, the good news today.
We are called horse.
Hi, Boobsy. How you feeling? Ready to go? Guys, can you guess where Wayne might be going? You might not be able to tell. But he is actually, in fact, going to the gym. Have fun, babe. You're gonna feel so good after.
I look forward to it. More than I laugh after me, but it's alright.
He who laughed last. Alright.
You laugh after me? It's alright. You can see me transform. Who laugh last, laugh best.
Who is that? Good morning. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby Ivy. Ivy, them say I must stop ask about your T-E-E-T-H, but I must ask about your rice grains. Where are the rice grains? Let's see. Sweet girl.
Alright, first day of gym. And then bust me shut. Now I gotta tell a lie, people. One of the time I have a ball, Cree. You know it go. First time working out in a good long while. But it was good though. I like the brand and I like the buzz. I'm going to make a lot of progress here. Big up my trainer, Jeremy. Going wicked. I'm terrible though, people. I'm terrible. Yeah. Hi, Boozy.
The doctor gave me, do you know the doctor gave me cockroach wee wee?
Yeah.
What? The doctor give you what?
Cockroach wee wee. I'm telling this sweetie good for cough. We might have cockroach wee wee.
Daddy,
What?
look at me back.
Jesus.
Look at me back.
Look on him back. One to your back.
I just heard it outside.
Uh-oh.
He had to, he's having really bad allergies. That is activating, obviously, his asthmatic conditions, just like the other boys. So we just went to go and deal with all of that. But this pediatrician is just one of my faves because he was my pediatrician and he used to tell me the same things. He used to be like, all right, you can have this sweetie, but it make out a cockroach. So I'm in there dying of laughter, okay?
No,
he's the best.
Top.
Cockroach wee.
I must remember that thing.
He couldn't believe it. He couldn't believe it.
Get cockroach.
Me I deal with my thing, you don't know. Put it back, you see me?
What you say now? What happened?
Yo, this trainer nearly killed me.
What do you mean him nearly kill you?
What you
Jeremy
mean?
go easy on the first day, always.
No.
So how you nearly dead from that?
Listen me now, man. One of the time I have to say, yo, give me a 5 days. Yeah, I know.
I've never said that to Jeremy. What are you talking about?
Well,
you don't hold up the family name.
I want to watch hold up his family name. Remember, say I forgot easy with you know. Because
Don't lie,
how you mean? How you mean?
I bet mama wait them
You do
heavier
4
than yours.
C-section. Who for wait ever than my
4 C-section, what 4 C-section have to do?
4 C-section have to do with the fact say him have to take time with you. It's not like a man where can just go to rope and carry certain load.
Right now.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Man's supposed to tough for that. Yeah.
Man supposed to tough for that woman, that's true. That's why you give me a tougher regime. Eh?
It mash you up.
Never mash me up, but it mash me up.
Feel good though, no?
Yeah. Me not tell a lie. Feel really good to get back in the regime and get back in a scheme of things. You see me?
I'm happy for you, bro.
Yeah, that is
And
it.
I'm proud of you.
And that shaker, I got help me put back
We have to go back
where them
and
take
shake.
out. Yeah, we have to go do
I'm
that today.
so proud of you. Well done. Feel sweat. Feel sweat, boy.
You sweat, man.
Jesus.
Sweat a drop off from the people.
That shape look
Yeah,
good.
man.
So, did you like work out upper body, lower body? What did you do?
Everybody.
Everybody.
Everybody. Foot, leg, and all head too.
Oh my God. Good for you. First step in the right direction. Show me the hardest exercise that you did today. I really want to see the one that had an impact on you.
With a bench press,
Uh-huh.
with a squat,
Uh-huh.
with a leg curl,
Okay. I do all of those too.
with a lunge.
Mm-hmm.
See, remember say my weight is different from yours.
Why do you think so? What weight did you use?
Just calm down.
No,
My weight
no.
is
Tell me
different
what
from
weight you
yours.
used.
Just relax.
She's on. Watch your knee.
Tami claims that she was a 9-month walker, people.
I don't claim. I was a 9-month walker.
You not gonna know. You don't know
I
yourself.
walked when I was 9 months. Just 2 years, you are 2 before you walk.
9 months and 56 days walk after. You just want to put my daughter under pressure.
No. I am not, but she is not going to walk for 9 months. Don't worry. My cousin was a 7-month walker, you never know.
That's true?
Yeah. It's stress when them walk so young, you know, because they don't have the understanding to go with the walking sometimes. And so they just a lick down thing.
I definitely know you was like a 9-month talker. Oh God. Hi mommy. Hi mommy. Momo love have her up in her hands or thing.
Is Momo fall when she's not walking?
Momo fault.
But you must walk. You hear them say? You must walk.
Hold up in her hand too much.
You must walk.
You know, she said Momo put 2 clips in her ear today.
Yeah. What's the hairstyle today?
It's a mohawk.
What's the hairstyle today? It's a mohawk.
You going?
Wait, let's go look upstairs now.
Let's do it.
And then decide what is what today.
Yes, people, the office space is coming on strong. And we need to decide how we're going to lay out the design of in there. So today is going to be a day when we just take the road and do what we have to do.
Wow. So what you guys doing?
Put down the plaster and rub off the bumps. See, the second coat I have to take out all of those.
Yeah.
Like it's smooth and nice.
So where are we now? Second coat?
This is the second coat.
Yeah, man.
You don't need a third coat.
It looks good.
Yeah.
So now we have to
Good.
stand on top of this.
Yeah. Barely. No, you don't
Barely?
Barely stand.
Barely.
Yeah. You need a second coat, you don't have to stand on a top.
You need a third.
A third coat.
Yeah, no.
Excuse my company.
So I think we will be able to start painting tomorrow.
No, I wanted to paint tomorrow. I'm going to paint.
You are gonna.
Yeah.
Alright, just make
I'm going to paint tomorrow.
It looks good.
But I tell the boss that we might have painting here so first before I go outside.
Agreed.
Okay.
Agreed.
So I'm gonna get all your walls and color.
Agreed. So we just left active because we have to literally we took measurements of things so we can be sure about the ones that we're getting, because in question is a larger sofa versus a smaller one. So we are just going to go back home quickly and just do some measurements before we actually say yes to something or to the things, you know. It's always interesting, like you think you know exactly what it is, and then when it comes time to actually do it, you're like buck shuffling a little bit, like and then you're like, all right, let's go. So I'm hoping that by this weekend we'll be all set and ready to go and in and getting it all together, but we'll see how it is.
You say you have an interior decorator thing too?
Some here. I don't think I could do this for anybody else, so I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. Did we tell you guys that we're painting the outside of the house too, by the way? Like, so while we're doing all of this, we just bit the bullet We have needed to paint the house. Okay, the last time we painted the house would have been when Atlas was born. That would be almost 7 years ago.
Yeah.
Literally, the week I came home with Atlas, we had just finished painting the house.
The house was
And
due for a paint.
it was
For
due.
Christmas we didn't want to do it, but
It just didn't happen. And so we are painting the house while we're doing this. So yeah, going pretty well. So we're gonna go home now, like I said, measure up and then circle back and see what is what. But we have to make a decision quick because
time is of the essence.
time is of the essence. And Active is having like a sale and stuff, so it's busy down there. Ooh, this is going shaky. Pretty white and nice.
It look good.
And having a new room for the place. Nice, guys.
And I think
Come on, Z.
let's stay too late today because today I'm earth strong.
Today's your birthday?
Yeah, we tell you now. Yeah.
Birthday! That's wonderful. I didn't know that. Oh, nice. What a blessing to send that.
Nice. So I'll go with the color. Yeah. It's like almost like white, like a gray in there. Nice.
What was that? Oh, you love me? Jam. What you do, girl? Girl, what you doing? Oh. She's standing up.
She's trying.
Mommy, she wants to stand up. What? Yeah, she's standing up. All right, give her.
Careful.
Ivy.
Gentle, not so hard.
Ivy. Stay with your big brother. Nope. Don't go to mommy. Mommy, you don't want you. I want you though.
She's very strong, you know, so you have to hold her good. Good job, Alice. Good job.
Whoa, good catch. Daddy, I'm going to do super strength. Okay, super strength.
Super strength. Whoa, my guy. Yo, you have the kick in, bro.
Striker. Maybe let's super tiger strength. I think I should play a goalie.
Careful.
Yeah, Dad, I will.
No, careful. Don't kick the bouncing ball. Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground.
Super strength. What do we do it, Mom? What after this?
Careful. Man, chang, you know, man. Have the kick, you know, bro. That is it. Alright, so guys, we're at the supermarket now. And these two, you guys are capable
We are capable.
of following the list.
Yeah.
Wait, is there another pen?
Okay, so I can just go and kick back then
Do you have a pen?
and rest my body.
Rest your butt.
Mom, do you have a pen?
Why you don't have to rest your body, Wayne?
What you mean, Tami?
Mommy, do you have a pen?
Tami, the first day is always the worst day. Don't worry, it only get better from here.
Mom, do you have a pen?
Yeah,
Really now.
gym was good, but it beat me up. We have another event. We have an event in the evening here to attend to as well. So I have to keep back some reserves and pace myself throughout the day. You understand? I had a nice light lunch after my shake.
Excuse me.
And we'll see how later pans out. Yeah. So guys, wanna go on and make a song go on?
Need the pen. Mom.
Why you gonna try for writing something on the list? You think you're smart?
Please.
What time for gym tomorrow? Jeremy asking.
And not tomorrow, Thursday, Friday.
Oh, yeah, go Thursday, Friday. Well, alright, message him and make him
tomorrow.
know. Message him and make him know.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, you need anything inside?
No.
I need a pen.
We didn't get any more protein shake.
I wonder if the place
Any in there?
still.
Any leave in there? Or you done it this morning?
No, I think one,
two
one
little
or
scoop
two.
leave. Come and need one later.
Two scoop mustard.
Alright, we'll get it tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Alright, Jax, here you go.
Yes. Thank you.
You know, so my eye itch me from the dust. Eye water. Atlas is not here because he was having a meltdown. He wouldn't listen, and I told him, I said, if he wouldn't listen, he would not be allowed to come.
Yeah.
Of course, when the time come for that now, him double upset, him can't come. But I have to stick to my word.
Yeah, you have to stick
Because
to
him
your
have a style where him
Because
always
he's not
say-
going to take you seriously.
I
Well
hope
said.
you remember
Don't.
that for when it's your time. Candy, and candy. No,
Yes,
sir. No.
Mommy, I wrote it on the list for a reason. Candy. Candy and candy. That's what I wrote on the list. Okay.
Yo, make mommy stick to the list, yeah?
Not
Make mommy stick to the list.
Hold on. What is?
Jesus.
A whole back
It's not
stall.
What?
What are you doing at the door? You know, we have wait name there now. Sicky
Whole
Pitney.
bottle of his stuff.
Me need it. Imagine Momo make them wings and we did some nice veggies and stuff for them. Just make them. Them say them really want cornmeal porridge. You ever seen anything like this? This is not from scratch. This is just like one of those instant packs that them love. And let me tell you, I was like, really guys? Like fried chicken wings, veggies, and then I want cornmeal porridge. Anyway, Ivy getting her first taste of cornmeal porridge. It's a shame. We take too long to give her, but she getting her cornmeal porridge today. So
Let me ask the MTM family if you have the same problem that we have with the kids and the eating dinner. You prepare dinner for them don't eat it, but make it you eat the food. All of them all over your food. I say
things they would
please,
never eat.
some things they will never eat if you give them on their plate.
No.
But when it's your plate, when it's your food, and especially when you're very hungry,
Yes.
the whole of them find themselves
Yes, man.
to your plate and I beg it out.
It's wild.
It's wild. Tell me if that happened to you too, because it happens a lot.
Regular.
Very regular to us.
Yes, sir.
It has a light color, so you better not eat it because it's poisonous. It's a poisonous pepper.
Okay.
Only lizards can eat it,
That's true?
and snakes and stuff, and animals
Okay.
like tigers.
Nice.
Yeah, and cheetahs.
Well, not us. Whatever
Not
you do,
humans.
do not eat it.
And do not drink the juice out of it.
A while ago, he was saying to me that he really needs to start listening. Why?
Because if I imagine if you told me something to keep me safe, and I
Right.
still ate this and I died.
Right. So sometimes when I'm telling you to do something or stopping you from doing something, is to keep you safe. So you gotta listen.
But what if it's because you don't want me eating candy?
That's also to keep you safe.
Because what if the candy's expired?
And yes, but also too much candy for you is not good for you.
And you might get a tummy ache.
That's right.
I don't want to get a tummy ache.
So please just listen to mommy.
I got a tummy ache before and it did not feel good.
Tell
Did not
everybody
feel
that their
good.
porridge is ready, please. And it's very thick.